Okay, video blog check everybody, Azrael here, and we are back again for a new tech content video. Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? Nagbabalik tayo. Sobrang busy ko kasi at hindi pa tayo maka-upload ng maraming content. But this is a good start to create this video kasi si Realme may announcement that they are going to launch a brand new smartphone for this month of June, and that is the Realme C65 from Realme Philippines. So, on my hand is the Realme C65, a new smartphone from Realme Philippines. So, thank you so much kay Realme for lending me a unit para ma-review at ma-feature natin. But we're not going to do a full tech specs discussion. This will be a quick unboxing, and also let's check out the entire body of the phone. Actually may mga teasers na anywhere So maganda yung specs tsaka yung features niya, no? But for now, we're going to discuss and show to you yung features nitong Realme C65. Parang sabi nila, it's a future-proof smartphone. It means that pag meron daw kayo nito, hindi mo na kailangan mag-upgrade ng 4 years. So parang siguro makakapag-upgrade ka after 4 years, 5 years for example, because the specs is parang ready na for the future. Yun ang ating kumbaga iimbestigahan, no? I-check out natin kung talagang ano ba tong mga features na ito, no? So before I do a quick unboxing, so pakita ko muna sa inyo yung features ng Realme C65 here sa ating video. For the SRP, wala pang available SRP, but on June 13, sa official launch, doon natin malalaman yung SRP tsaka full tech specs ni Realme C65. Alright? So ito yung mga features niya. Let's do this. Okay, ito yung mga features ni Realme C65. So check nyo yung ating presentation, no? Meron siyang tinatawag na 48-month fluency rating ng TUV Rainland Low Blue Light Certification. It means that maybe baka nag-testing sila for 48 months, no? To check kung talagang consistent yung kanilang display to provide a good low blue light, no? So kaya siya gawin siya ng TUV Rainland Low Blue Light Certification. Yun yung one of the best features niya. Oh, by the way, naalala ko yung nabasa ko ng konti, yung 48-month fluency rating. It means that yung parang wala kang lag, wala kang crashes. So hindi daw maglalag yung phone. So I think based on their test, kaya na-certified siya. I think they did some tests for 48 months. Kasi kaya tinawag na 48-month fluency rating. It means that in 48 months, walang lag, walang crashes. The phone, the Realme 65 is performing at its best. Okay? And also, meron siya tinatawag na hands-free air gesture control. Ito yung sa mga phones na ginaganon, no? Pag ginanon mo daw yung phone, it will scroll up kahit hindi mo na siya hawakan. Ito, by the way, I'm using the Realme 12 Pro Plus. Yan, aking phone ngayon. So, pag ginaganon mo daw yung phone, mag-scroll siya without touching the screen. So, yung meron siya tawag na air gesture control. At meron daw siyang customizable dynamic button. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano yun, but we were going to find it out. At meron siyang interactive mini capsule 2.0. I think doon sa screen yata niya, yung mini capsule. At ito ay rainwater smart touch. It means that yung phone, pag nabasa daw ng tubig, ulan, or tubig lang, you can still control the phone. Some of the phones na natatry ko minsan, no, pag nabasa siya, or nagkaroon siya ng water droplets, dahil basa yung kamay mo, or umulan, hindi mo siya makontrol yung screen. You need to wipe it out para makontrol mo yung phone. But the Realme C65, pwede kahit basa daw. You can still control the display, yung control mo doon, yung mga apps niya, pwede nyo pang-launch, pwede kayo mag-browse, no, kahit basa yung display ninyo. At meron siya tinatawag na meron siyang smart code scan. Hindi ko pa alam may mga very high-tech na ata to, no? Smart code scan. Hindi ko alam kung ano to, but mag-iimbestiga. Kasi wala pa tayo sa mismong launching or presentation, eh. Also, yung mga kumaga mga paperwork na babasahin ko about these features. Medyo wala pa, teaser pa lang to, so abangan natin kung ano ba to smart code scan. At meron din siya litong customized lowest brightness feature, lowest brightness at meron siyang AI boost to improve yung phone. So another feature is meron siyang UI interface during riding mode. Hindi ko pa alam kung paano natatatay yun kung ano tong UI interface pag naka-riding mode. Riding mode, siguro naka-motor or naka-kotse. I'm not sure kung natin yan At ayun, yung pala yung ating tech specs or features na marireveal for the teaser of the Realme C65 from Realme Philippines. I will not post any more details about it, but check natin yung phone, check natin yung body. For now, hindi pa tayo pwede mag-camera test. And what else? Hindi ko muna siya i-set up. Unbox muna natin. Let's check, get a feel of this awesome phone. By the way, I got parang may color siya. Ano namang color nito nakuha ko? Starlight Black. Starlight Black. Okay, so unbox na natin to. Let's do this. Alright, here we go. This is the Realme C65 from Realme Philippines. At meron silang nakalagay dito, TUV 48-month fluency protection. Yan ang sabi nila. So, hindi ko muna mapapakita yung other information here, but sabi dito, Starlight Black yung ating color. And I got this since May pa. Ngayon ko lang siya inopen. Kasi para makasabay tayo sa teaser launching nila. And this is it, make it real. Laman nito ay the usual stuff like this is a nice jelly case niya, and some manuals. Ayan, manual, and also the pin, yung kanyang SIM tray ejector pin. So that's what's inside the box. And here's the unit. First time ko lang tong i-open sa mismong teaser launch pa ni Realme Philippines. So tanggalin ko na to. Ayan. So bali gagawa naman ako ng isa pang video discussing the entire phone. Set up na rin din natin siya. And also magka-camera test tayo. So lapag natin yan dyan. Ganda ng kulay niya Starlight Black. And we have here the USB Type-C cable at syempre yung kanyang charger. Sabi lightning fast, wala nakalagay na ilang watts to. So maybe abangan nyo yung aking full unboxing nito. Sa June 30 natin ilalabas to pag nakakuha tayo ng go signal na kay Realme. So balik ko na to dito para ma-discuss natin yung what's inside. Ano yung feel natin dito sa phone. So this is the Realme C65 smartphone from Realme Philippines. You can see here, ito yung kanyang camera. Doon sa kanilang mga press releases, mga teaser nila online. So ito siya. I think it's a dual camera, I think. Kasi ito parang wala I'm not sure kasi parang wala siyang laman. I'm not sure pero alam mo siya kung triple camera to we will malalaman natin to sa mismong launch niya. And there's the Realme logo. The body is very smooth compared to the phone na ginagamit ko, yung Realme 12 Pro Plus, kasi it's different. And the body, here's the front camera. Ayan, pinhole. Taas, it's clean. Side that's the SIM tray. Hindi natin mo i-reveal yan. So sa mismong June 13 na. And there's is the meron siyang 3.5mm ear jack. Ayan, that's nice May microphone dito, USB Type-C speaker. So it's only one speaker Sa right side, it's the power button at saka yung kanyang volume knob. I guess this is the parang yung sa password yung pag-unlock, kasi yung iba itsura niya. Hindi ko na tumunta iraran kasi we're just doing a teaser. And this is the Realme C65 teaser mo tayo. Well, maganda yung body niya. It's very lightweight very lightweight. Kung lalagyan ko siya ng tawag dito ng jelly case, ito magiging itsura niya. Always use a jelly case para maprotektahan yung inyong smartphone. So, eto siya. Uy, well, uy, okay It's very easy to hold. Okay siya. So, I guess that's it guys for our vlog for today. So, this is the Realme C65 from Realme Philippines. Maraming salamat kay Realme for this. At kita-kits tayo sa June 13 for the full video nitong tech content natin. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Alright, thank you so much Realme Philippines. Okay, gusto ko nang mag-camera test after this video. Alright!